Have you been looking for a 16 gauge finish nailer to help get the trim done around your house? Or do you just want the capabilities of having a cordless finishing nail gun that doesn't require a nail compressor and runs on DeWalt batteries and has rapid fire? Boy, do I have the tool for you. This guy is the DIYtoolifz of the cordless finish nailer. So this guy is 16 gauge and it runs on DeWalt 20 volt batteries. And if I put a 4 amp hour battery on this guy, it will shoot 5,000 nails. So this guy comes with some multiple sizes of 16 gauge finish nails for you to get started. So that way, once you get the gun, you can start building something with it right away. I really like how strong the spring is on the slide. And then right here, we have our nail adjustment depth guide. And then right there, if you have any jams, this guy is tool free, so you can just open it up and remove whatever jam you have in there, and it clips in nice and easy. And I like the rubber tip on it. So this guy does have single shot and rapid fire, and it's about the same weight as my DeWalt gun, maybe a little heavier. And then it's got an on and off switch, is kind of mostly the safety of this gun, because once it's on, you don't really hear anything. So it's hard to tell if it's on or off. So I like that they added that safety switch. And then right there, you can get a look at the sizes of the nails this guy will do. This guy will do 3/4 of an inch nail all the way up to a 2.5 inch nail. And loading it up is really nice and easy. Just drop it in, push the button, and you're ready to go. So let's do a little side-by-side comparison here. Here is my 16 gauge angled DeWalt 20 volt gun, and then we'll do the DIYtoolifz. So let's go over the differences between the guns. So the DeWalt gun has a pre-revving motor, so once I turn it on, it will stay on until it shoots a nail, and then it winds down. So the main difference between this gun and that gun is this one just shoots. There's no wind up, no loud noises. The only noise is when it shoots. So it's a lot different to what I'm used to. The DeWalt gun has that constant wind up, but I find with this gun, it's a lot quieter and a lot easier to deal with. I really like the DIYtoolifz for sending us this to check out. I highly recommend this nail gun.